When adjusting the inside rear-view mirror, you can manually turn the inside rear-view mirror and adjust the angle as needed. When adjusting the door mirrors, tap on the center display to enter the Quick Controls interface. Tap the Door Mirrors button to enable the door mirrors adjustment. You can choose to adjust the left or the right door mirror, and then make the adjustment by pressing the arrow buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. When setting the seat memory, a window will appear in the top right of the center display. The door mirrors can also be adjusted at this point. When you need to turn on the door mirrors heating function by pressing the rear windscreen defrost button at the bottom of the center display, the vehicle will switch on both the door mirrors heating and the rear windscreen defrosting functions to prevent any visibility issues when driving in bad weather.